Hello and welcome to another update video about NEAR. Yeah, the NEAR protocol is filling in nicely the current pattern. No surprises so far. It's making good progress higher here in this potential C wave that we're tracking, which is basically an impulse. I've mentioned a while ago that NEAR was looking good, at least short term. I don't like the long-term chart, but short term, I have no problem to highlight that a chart looks good short term if I don't like the long term chart. The short term always wins short term, and it can create a long term chart, or it can improve the long term chart if the short term develops the patterns that are big enough to produce a long term uptrend again, you know. But anyway, this is not a long term video. In this video, I just want to show you about the current structure that started end of October. We've been highlighting further upside here. We had one support or trend reversal area here. I don't think we had anything after that, which was clear. So ideally, everybody is positioned. I already mentioned more than a month ago that this year is looking very good, also because the BTC pair chart broke to the upside and now it's moving up. I still am not very happy with what this is. Absolutely not. This could also be an ABC structure, so just be careful. At the moment, I'm counting that as a 1-2-1-2 setup. I just don't like the structure of it, but it counts okay as a 1-2-1-2. What I don't like about this, I think I mentioned that before, is that this wave 1 nearly reached the 100% extension. It's actually a bit long, therefore it also counts as an ABC, but then this would be a larger A, this would be a B, and we're now in C. So just be aware, you know, it's an altcoin. They can always break along the way. But for now, if this wave count is correct and we indeed have a bullish 1-2-1-2 setup, then the third wave should reach at least $3.23, better, higher. Then we should still get a 4-5-3, 4-5, and so on. And we could move higher into the region of $4 and plus. Next, $3.64 will be a critical resistance area on the larger time frame, and then $5.08. So this is still okay. This looks good, and the focus can be on higher against the last swing low at $1.73. If that's too far away from you, you might use the 50% retracement level of what we currently have labeled as the third wave. That gives you a first indication when this uptrend is breaking, and that is at $2.13. So as long as $2.13 is holding, we should be able to move up. A break below it wouldn't necessarily be bearish, but it would certainly mean that we have to be on the side of caution. So let's look at the NEARBTC chart, because this is what I outlined already months ago, that this was starting to look quite good because we had a breakout above the NEARBTC pair trend line. Why is that useful? Well, I mean, you can buy all the altcoins you like, right? But if Bitcoin is outperforming them, there's no point. So in the short term, NEAR is outperforming Bitcoin. That's exactly why I highlighted it. Ideally, you have a breakout pattern on the USD chart and the BTC chart, and we saw that here. So if you watched the video, I don't know, 5 weeks ago, 6 weeks ago, then you will not have missed that. But that's basically it. Not much more to add. I just want to give you the next key targets, projections, and also the key levels against which we can still focus on higher. It's always worth to know when the microstructure breaks, because altcoins, to be honest, they break often. That's just what they do. But at the moment, they are very stable. So let's see if it can continue like that. These are the first, you know, sort of impulses that we've had in a while. And therefore, it is straightforward at the moment. Okay, you'll see it across the board how the support levels are holding. Very rarely at the moment we see support levels break. If anything, they actually don't even reach them because the market is too bullish. At some point, that will change again. But as I always say, we go with the trend until the end. And then the break of the micro support levels will be the first warning that something isn't quite right. Okay, that's my update about NEAR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.